Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you the best alternative of Photoshop for your Android mobile. So if you want to design in photos by using your mobile, you can use this app. So the app is Hypic Photo Editor. So in this video, I will tell you how you can use Hypic Photo Editor. First of all, install this app from Play Store. You can install from it from App Store if you are using iPhone. Then simply open it. I have already installed this app. I will open this app. Now when you will open your Hypic Photo Editor, you will see this interface. To import your images or to start designing, press on import. Now you can import photos from your gallery, or you can choose any background from here. Like I will choose this white background for my image. Now I will tell about the tools of this app, from where you will understand why this is best alternative for Photoshop. Now I will import another image here. For that, click on this import picture option and select photo. I will select this photo. Now you can see there are a lot of different tools, like this one, which is AI filters. From AI filters, you can use all these AI tools in your photo. Like if you want to change your hairstyle, you can simply choose black and white hair color or any option from all these effects. Now look at here, the hairstyle of this model is changed, and in AI filters you can see there are a lot of different options, like the AI cyberpunk here, the expansion option, the effects, a lot of effects here. And among these AI filters, first option is autofill. If you want to expand your photo, just click on autofill. This AI tool will automatically detect the image and expand your photo. Now you can see here, this AI tool expand our image and create a better background image for this photo. This is one of the best AI tool here. After this, there are a lot of different tools. Like if you import another picture over here, just click on it and you can remove the background by simple one click. Like if you click on auto select, AI recognizing your image and your photo will automatically select through this AI tool. Now you can see here the background of this image is removed. So by using this simple tool, you can remove the background of images. Now there are a lot of different tools, like you can change your skin tone, you can add makeup in your photo. If you want to reshape your image, you can simply use this reshape tool. And also there is amazing tool which is called relight. By using this tool, add all these colors in your photo. Like if you want to add the rainbow light spot on your face of the photo, simply click on this photo. Now you can see this effect is applied. Also you can change your skin tone, your hair colors, then the expressions of your face. At the bottom side there are a lot of templates. By simply one click, you can change your photo into these templates. Last tool is shapes. You can see here a lot of shapes are available, and these are increasing day by day. I have created a complete tutorial about all these tools available in this app. So if you want to learn the Hypic Photo Editor and you want to learn all these tools, I have already created a complete video about all these tools. I will place a link of that video in my description. So go to the description and watch that video if you want to learn Hypic Photo Editor completely. Press on arrow button from the top of screen from here. Then your photo will be saved into your gallery. This is how you can use Hypic Photo Editor, which is the best alternative of Photoshop for your Android phone. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.